Alright, in this video we're going to get a toy for our dinosaurs to complete a quest. Hopefully do that, open some chests, and get a plot of land, but we might not be able to do everything, but let's try to. Okay, so we are in the park. Now, we're gonna complete a quest if we can get one dinosaur toy. So, what do you think? Should we get this one that we got in the last video? If you saw a trough, how about that? So, get the trough, which will be under enclosures. Or should we get something else? Let's give it the trough. And then place that right there. We completed a quest! Yay! Ooh, that also gets us closer to the next level. And once we're there, I'll have another video about the Utah raptor. So, now that we've done that, let's do some chest unboxing. So, all I can afford is some rare chests. Let's get, say, 3 rare chests. Oh, we can only afford 2. So, 2 rare chests. Let's see what we get inside of them. I'm gonna spend my key. Okay, redeem prizes. Then we have 1 more. Ooh, that was a good one. Okay, so we also have gotten that, which I'm not gonna place right now. I have this one, that Amphision, which I really want to place, but I'm not that right level, but soon I'll do that. Now I have all of these, which I don't need all of, so I can scrap some of these to get some DNA, which will be nice. Scrap. I don't know if we're going to be able to make it to getting a new plot of land in this video. We might not be able to, but I wouldn't count on it. Let's keep scrapping. Scrap. Jeez, there's so much to scrap. I don't have many DNA pieces, but it's just trying to get as much amber as I can. I've had 3,000 amber before. But, yeah. So, I think that's it for this video. Bye.